You know, it's not easy making videos here on YouTube talking about stocks and putting out, realistic ideas on trades and investments and all that fun stuff. It's not easy because, number one, I put my name out there. I put my face out there. I put my stamp of approval on these setups. And well, CLOV today, Clover, having some trouble going to the moon. We're going to talk about what's going on with Clover right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Patrick here. And well, it's not good news, my friends. I know. Everyone's going to comment and say that I was wrong and blah. It's going to be just the comments are going to be bloodbath. But let's point out a couple different things here, my friends. Back when the price of the stock was $11 here. This is back on the 7th of June. When the price was $11, I made my first video talking about Clover, talking about the potential to go up to, $20, $30 or possibly higher, $100 on the top end. I was trying to be very realistic here, comparing this move to some of the other short squeezes that we have happening in the market today. But obviously, we're having some trouble. We're having some trouble here. Is that to say that Clover is done and it can't go any higher? No. But one thing that you should always remember is at the end of the day, you'll never go broke taking profit. So if you bought Clover back when it was $12, $11, or even $15, $13, even $16 yesterday, and you woke up this morning and you saw the stock was almost $30, you can see the high this morning was $28, almost $29. You had plenty of time to take profit, 100% profit almost. So I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear from all the haters and all the commenters down below and all the Warren Buffetts that are going to tell me that they saw this coming, that they knew that Clover was going to crash. Well, did they know that Clover was going to go up when it was $11? I doubt it. They're just here to troll, and that's what it comes down to. At the end of the day, when you make a trade, when you make an investment, you've got to understand the risk. You've got to understand that there's a chance that you're going to lose money, and that's part of the trading, investing world. But for me personally, it is more difficult because obviously I have to put my name and my channel and all that behind these videos. And I warned in the video, even the video that I made last night, I talked about, how I wouldn't want to be a buyer, of this stock at the $30, $25 area, when I thought that the good buy here, the safer buy on CLOV was back when it was $12, or even yesterday on the dip when it dipped down there to the $18, $19 area. Today, the price is almost $19 again here. We're kind of bouncing around. We're having a little bit of trouble there. I think it's just looking like momentum in general is kind of hurting right now in this sector in terms of the momentum meme squeezes. Did you guys miss out on CLOV? Did you not know about this play? Well, obviously you're not subscribed to the channel, so hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's go. You can see AMC this morning also gapping down there below $50 right now, having trouble as well, and just not having the momentum to continue higher. At least I will say that Clover did gap up this morning, right? Clover gapped up. It was up to almost $30. AMC gapped down this morning. So, again, I don't want to hear from the AMC people. I don't want to hear from the GameStop people. I get it, all right? I made a video talking about Clover. It went up 200%, and now it's crashing back down. That's trading, my friends. That's volatility. The thing is, when a stock goes straight to the moon, well, there's going to be pullbacks. There's going to be volatility along the way. And that's just how it goes. That's trading in general. And if you were too silly and you're too greedy to take profit when you were up 200%, those $15 calls that were 75 cents just a few days ago, they were trading at almost $14, $15 today. So anybody who didn't take profit when they were up 2,000%, 1,500%, whatever it was, if you didn't take profit on those $15 calls, well, I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry about you. That's called trading, my friends. We take profit. We get in. We get out. We ride the momentum. Clover right now trying to bounce off of this $18 area. We need to get this to start to push back up. If I see a close on Clover at the $20 area, that's going to be, because that's meaning, number one, that this is being able to hold that key area. That $20 area would be a key area for me to watch. If we could push back to the $20 area and get this to push back up here, $24, $25, $28, that would be very bullish. That would make the shorts start to think like, maybe I need to get out of here. You can see the big sell-off here on AMC the other day as well, from $75 down there to the $38 area, back up to that $70 area. So there is still potential here on Clover. There is always potential. You know, people were asking, should they be buying at Clover at $30? Well, if you were really wanting to buy Clover, well, now it's pulling back to the $19 area. This might be a much better opportunity to buy it than buying at the $30 area. That's just the name of the game. So you can see Clover, big drop this morning. Looking to see if we can hold that $18 area, close in the 20s. If we can close in the 20s, it'll be bullish. It'll be a good sign. The Clover Reddit page is now up to 19,000 members. They're posting, talking about how the short interest is still rising. And today could be a bear trap as well. It'll get more bears to jump in, more shorts to pile in as this thing is going down. So more information talking about the short interest, talking about institutional ownership, and talking about the low float here on the Reddit page. That's still the underlying thesis here. There's still a lot of short interest. There's a small float compared to other squeezing stocks in the market, and it's got a huge institutional ownership. So those institutional owners aren't looking to sell for pennies. They're looking to sell for millions and millions of profits. So they're looking for massive moves, not just to capitalize off any little bounce or pop or drop or anything like that. So we're still holding Clover. If it can close in the 20s or higher, I think it'll be bullish. We'll see what happens today. But like I said before, at the end of the day, when you take a trade, when you place a trade, there's risk, there's volatility. When a stock goes up 200, 300%, you got to expect some serious volatility to the downside here. Right now, Clover is down. This is part of the volatility. Like I said, there's going to be some ups. There's going to be some downs. There's going to be some volatility. When a stock goes straight to the moon, well, we should expect volatility, a bumpy ride sometimes, my friends. So that's the update. Clover down there to the $18, $19 area. I believe if it can close in the 20s or higher, that'll be a bullish sign. Really, if it can get up here like $22 area here, by the end of the day, hold that $18 area, get up to the $22, $23, even $20 area close, that'll be bullish, and we'll look to see where this ends up at the end of the day. If you guys haven't already, do me one favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I will talk to you guys later on.